Hey everyone, in today's video, Dabur Hanitas Hot Sip review and demo. So let's get started. This one is a 4 gram sachet and it just costs rupees 10 and it's a ready to use instant kada. It's 100% Ayurvedic kada that give you instant relief from cold and cough, and it's made with 15 Ayurvedic herbs. The moment you open the pack, you get pure herbal fragrance, and it's a single use pack. Just empty the pack in a cup, pour hot boiling water, mix, and it's ready in seconds. It provides the instant warmth inside your mouth and neck, and I even started sweating after having this. The moment you take the first sip, you will definitely feel the difference. A soothing, aromatic, warm sensation spread through your mouth and throat. The flavor is quite good too. The sweetness is also balanced. Really a good product. If you have cold, cough, or any throat pain, I think you should definitely give it a try, and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.